jumping up and down the floor. My hair is an animal, and once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. The son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say. La la la, la la la, la la la, la la.
Appreciated our conversation earlier.
Yeah?
I just want you to know I accept you for who you are, Mona.
We do have a lot in common.
Thank you. I know we do.
You know what it is?
What's that?
We want each other to be better.
I mean it.
We want to be better for each other.
Right.
We each want the other person to grow. Together. We both want that.
Saw the Grand Canyon today. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Instead of insight, maybe all a man gets is strength to wander for a while. Maybe the only gift is a chance to inquire, to know nothing for certain, an inheritance of wonder and nothing more. We hit some detours on 66 that are rerouting us through Las Vegas. Oh, Gordon Ramsay's restaurant.
Can you get a picture of that?
Oh, the Venetian. That's a famous one, too.
Oh, Mona, look. The Sahara.
You know what's funny is that's the world's largest gift shop. See? The city of Las Vegas thanks you.
You know what? You're welcome.